Unveiling the Greens, the tale of grass seed. Hello, friends. Today, we'll delve into a common phrase that's often sewn into English conversations, grass seed. We're going to explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's such an integral part of gardening and landscaping discussions. So, let's get our green thumbs ready and dive into the world of grass seed. Grass seed refers to the seeds of grasses used to grow lawns, fields, and pastures. These tiny kernels are the genesis of what eventually becomes the lush, green carpets we enjoy in parks, gardens, and yards. They come in various types, each suited to different climates, soil types, and uses. Grass seed is not just about planting. It's about creating and maintaining healthy lawns. Choosing the right seed is crucial for soil stabilization, weed prevention, and achieving that perfect green lawn. We'll look at how to select, plant, and care for grass seed to ensure the best growth. Beyond the literal sense, grass seed can symbolize new beginnings and growth. It's often used metaphorically to describe the start of something that requires patience and care to flourish. It's easy to make mistakes when planting grass seed, like sowing at the wrong time of year or not watering correctly. We'll cover these common pitfalls and how to avoid them to achieve a vibrant lawn. Grass seed can have a significant environmental impact. We'll discuss sustainable practices and the importance of choosing eco-friendly options to support our planet. We hope this journey through the world of grass seed has been enlightening and will help you in your English language learning and gardening adventures. Remember, like a well-kept lawn, language learning takes time and care. Keep sowing the seeds of knowledge, and soon, you'll see the rewards of your efforts. Until next time, keep growing.